Everyone, I am Marjonet Aquino, and for this video, I will be explaining or discussing the student class in our project. First, we used to declare a method of array list without mentioning its size, so basically it is resizable. The size of array list is dependent to the input of user, and that is the list subject list and listed subjects equals new array list subjects close and open parentheses. Next is the class fields, wherein here we have an int for the ID, strings for student's name, last name, and then the course, and subjects for implementation of subjects throughout this project. Lastly, we use private keyword just to make them accessible within the declared class, so it is not shareable. Now, we have the setter and getter methods to get or returns its value, while a setter method sets or updates its value. After the get and set method, we have a default constructor, which is the public student. Then, in another parameter, we have the parameterized constructor. As you can see, parameterized constructor. In parameterized constructor, we declared our class fields inside the public student, which is the strings, int ID, string name, string last name, string full name, and then the subjects. And then inside this parameter, we use the keyword refers. Okay, then inside its parameter, we use this that because this keywords refers to the current object in the method or constructor. Then we have created another methods to fulfill this project, and that methods are method to generate and return the full name, a method to get students details, method to get student details as well as its enlisted subjects. Here we use loop through the elements of enlist subjects to make it more good. Next, method to generate and return details of a student details. Method to generate and return details of a subject name. Method to enlist subject in a given subject. Method to return the list of subject list. Lastly, method to print and delete the details. So and inside this, we used a public keyword to make it accessible and shareable to another class here in our project.
Good day, sir. My name is Christian I. De La Fuente. I'm the one who is assigned in subject class. Inside of our class subject, we have a class field which is private int ID, private string subject name, private int units, private student. The private keyword is an access modifier for constructors, methods, and attributes that restrict to the declared class alone. Next, we have a getter methods which is public int get ID, public string get subject name, public int get units, public student get student. The getter returns the value and it returns the value of data type int, string, float, etc. So what is return? Return is a reserved keyword. In other words, we can use it in as an identifier. It is used to end a method either with or without a value. Next, we have a setter methods which is public void set ID, public void set subject name, public void set units, public void set students. A setter method sets a or update its value under its setter methods. We have this keyword that refers to the current of the object in a method or constructor. This class is subject class. This is different from the main class. Here we create methods so that we can call the main class. We use getter and setter to set and return a value. To check if the students are already exist, we use the for loop and boolean so that when the student is not on the list, the program will stop. If there is a true there, it will display the it is already enlisted, or to delete the enlisted subject inside the public void delete subject, there is an if statement. There is to say that if the list of enlisted students is full or already exists, the students will remove, and if it is removed, the program will print the full details of the students, and if not, the program will print the students doesn't have this subject.
Hello, my name is Carlos Adrian Arbalmes. Today we will talk about the our class UML. So here it is. In our student record, we have the select ID, first name, last name, course, subject name, and unit. In select, it will in our program we have a chosen select, choose. So in select, it will collect the what you selected. For example, one. uh, For example, one, it will go it will start the process of the id, which will find the which will get the id of the student, first name and last name, um the course, its course, the subject name of the student, and the units. It will flow to the teacher, which it will find in the first name of the student, first name of the student and its last name and ID, which will get go to the subject, which it will search the subject of the student, and next is the student that will display the info of the student, its ID, first name, course, and subject. So in the subject class, it will show the class name of the student, the teacher, and its grade. And in grade, it will show up the grade of the student. And if it's a grade 12 or college. That is all. Thank you.